Children, I hope everyone are fine in your home. Okay, what we studied in the last class? We studied a formation of numbers, largest number as well as the smallest number using the given digits, right? So even we solved the exercise number 1.1 up to which question? 1.1 up to which question? I think first main is over, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, seventh, right? So up to sixth, seventh main are over. Now we are going to solve the eighth main. Okay, what is the eighth question? We'll see now. Even I given a homework for you. Whatever the homework, what is the homework I had given for you? That is in first main also, second main. Okay, I given some problems to you. Okay, only I solved a 1 on 2 or examples, so you have to solve the other examples I told in the last class only. I hope everyone done your homework. Okay, we'll move to the 8th question now. Okay, we'll start with the 8th question. What is the 8th question? Everyone open page number 4. Everyone open page number 4. In that 8th question is there. Okay, read everyone 8th question. What is the 8th question? See here, exchange the digits 0 and 2 in each of the following numbers to obtain the 4-digit new number wherever possible and compare a new number with the original one. Okay, as the same as the last 7th main problem, like that only they given here. In the 7th main what they told, exchange the 3 and 8, but in this main what they told, exchange the 0 and 2 in the following given numbers, then you have to compare with the original number. Okay, I'll show you how it is. Okay, so 8 main, exchange the number, exchange 0 and 2 and compare with the original one. Okay, we'll do. First they given as a, see here, first problem is 3120. Okay, 3120. This is the given problem, right? So here, see here, exchange 0 and 2 and compare with the original one. Okay, I done as a question as a shortcut form. Okay, don't mind, in a textbook they given a long question, but that question will be suspended here. So exchange a 0 and 2 in a compare with the original one, like that. Okay, so they told exchange the 0 and 2 and compare with the original one. Wherever 0 is there, you have to write 2, and wherever 2 is there, you have to write a 0 number. Okay, we'll show you how to do this. This is a given number, right? This is our question. So it is means what? It is the original number. It is a original number. Okay, so 3120 is the original number. We have to convert by exchanging the 0 and 2. We have to convert another new 4-digit number. How to convert a 4-digit new number? They told, they given a suggestion for you. Okay, they given a hint for you. Exchange 0 and 2 and you have to make the new number, new 4-digit number. See here, this is the original number they given as a question. Now I am exchanging the 0 and 2. Okay, so here 3, 1, 2 is there, so I will write it 0, 0 is there, I will write it as a 2. So this is a new number, right? New number formed by exchanging a 0 and 2, right? The new number formed by the exchanging a 0 and 2. So here we have to compare this new number with the original number. Comparison is nothing but a what? Which is a greater and which is a smaller. That is only comparison, right? If you ask anybody, compare the this is a thicker than this pencil. Pencil is a very thin, but the marker is a some little bit thick than this pencil. So this is called as the comparison. They told to compare with the original number. Here we are having the original number, right? So we have to compare with this original number. So we got here our new number. We have to compare that number with the original number. That is nothing but which is a smaller and which is a bigger. You have to tell. Okay. So we got a 3102. Here we got a, here is there 3120. Which is the greater here? Which number is greater? Obviously this one is the original number is the greater. So write that 3120 is greater than 3100. Okay. Or else you can write like this also. 3102 is smaller than the 3120. Both are the correct. Observe properly here. Here we will read it is as a 3102 is a smaller than the 3120. Like that we have to read. For first one, 3120 is greater than the 3102. Here we use a greater than, this is a smaller than. Getting my point? I hope everyone are getting this point. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Okay, this is the first example. Next one, what they given, we'll see. If we solve all the problems, then you will come to know how it is. Okay, so 7201. This is the what original number they given. Okay, so this is the original number they given here. We have to exchange the 0 as well as the 2. 0 and 2 we have to exchange in this number. See here 7 0 instead of 0 what we have to write 2. Instead of 2 what we have to write here 0 1. Okay, so this is called as the newly formed number. So that is nothing but the new number. Okay, now we have to compare this new number with the original number. This is our new number and we have to compare that new number with the original number. So compare here 7201 and 7021. Which is a greater here? Obviously this new number is a greater here. So 7201 is greater than 7021, or else you can write as 7021 is smaller than the 7201. Both are the correct. Okay, I am writing both the method. You can use any one. If you want a greater than symbol, then write like this. If you want a smaller than symbol, then write like this. But both are the correct. But only write only one method. Okay, don't write a both. I am just showing you how to write, how to compare these numbers. Okay, so we'll see the next question. What is the next question? What is the next number they given? Everyone see your textbook and you have to solve with me only. Okay, I am solving on the board and seeing when you are seeing this video, then that time only you have to take a notebook and you have to solve that problem in your notebook. Okay, only don't watch like this only. Okay, you have to, whatever I am solving on the board, you have to take a textbook beside you and keep that textbook beside you and take a notebook and pen. Okay, you have to solve in a HW only. Whenever I am going to solve on the board, you have to solve in your notebook also. Okay, don't see only on the board. Okay, don't see, because while seeing this video you have to solve, you have to write in your HW, then only you will get to know that concept clearly. Otherwise you will not get the concept clearly. Okay, because it is a mathematics subject, right? So if there is a science or a social, Kannada, English like that, then when you hear properly, then it will clearly, you can understand that concept. But for mathematics it is not like that. Okay, you have to take a pen. Whenever you are learning a mathematics, the pen should be in your hand. Otherwise you will not understand anything. Okay, whenever you are learning a mathematics, you have to keep your pen in have to take your notebook. Otherwise, you will not understand anything. Whatever you are learning, you have to just write it and learn properly. Okay? Then only you will clear with the concept. Otherwise, you will not clear with the concept. Understanding? Okay. We'll move on to the next question. They given a third main answer. See, third question is 2980. They given a 2980. Again, we have to exchange here 0 and 2. So this is our original number. This is our original number, and we have to exchange instead of 2. What we have to write here? 0. Next, 9, 8. Instead of 0, what we have to write here? 2. So this is our new number. New number. What is the new number name? It is a 982. Okay. So here we have a 2980. Which one is the greater here? Obviously, this one 2980 is a greater value. So again, compare this new number with the original number. What we have to write here? See here. So this is the greater than 982, or else you can write it as 2000. Sorry. This is smaller than the 2980. You can write it as a 2 method. Okay, take any one method. It is a greater than, it is a smaller than. Okay, next again 4th, 5th, 6th. 4th, 5th, 6th problem. In a 8th main only. In a 8th question, again 3 problems are remaining here. You have to do that 3 problems in your HW. That is a homework for you. Okay, what I am giving here, understanding, right? So I solved 3 problems. Another 3 problems you have to do it in your home. In a HW, not a CW. Understanding? Okay, fine. Next one is a ninth question. Everyone see ninth question. See here. Shift the digit 7 towards the right from its place and compare a new number with the original one in each of the following cases. You have to shift the 7 from the what? Right towards the right from its place. Okay, towards right you have to shift that number, 7 number. Okay, I show you. You will come to know that. It's very easy. Okay, don't feel it is a difficult. Just you have to read the question properly. Then you will understand. Okay, if you are not reading the question only, then what you are going to be answered there, right? The people, in today's generation, what is the lack of education is main thing is all the students will never read the question. That is the problem, main problem here. Okay, so you have to read the question properly. Then you are able to answer for that question. If you are not reading the question only means what you will be answer for that, right? Okay, so read the 9th question properly and we solve now. Shift digit 7 towards the right from its place and compare with the original Okay, so we have to shift this digit 7 towards the right from its place and compare with the original number. First question what they given here, that is the 1379. This is the original number, right? So this is the original number. Now they told shift the digit 7 towards the right. This is our right. See here, this is our right side and this side is the right and this side is the left. Getting my point? This side is the right side and this side is the left side. So here is our 7 we have to shift for this value. See here, next number. Okay, so then we have to exchange here. Whatever the value is there, we have to take this side and this is this side. So it is the new number is 97. Shift the digit 7 towards the right from its place. Right? So the 7 will be shifting to the right side, shifting to the right side, shifting to the right side, and 9 will be taken as a here. Getting my point? So what is this number? That is a 1397. This is a new number. This is a new number. Now we have to compare this. I'll write it here. This is the right side and this is the left side. This is the right side, this is the left side. Okay. So now we have to compare 1397 is the greater than the 1379. Or else we can write as a this is a smaller than 1900. Same as we did in a last name only, we have to compare like that only. So it's not a tough to compare the numbers. Just we have to understand the question properly. In that question they told exchange 0 and 2. But here they didn't mention the other number, but they mentioned only one number. You have to shift the digit 7 towards the right. Towards the right means 7 is in a tens place, we have to shift to the ones place. Then in the number whichever in a ones place, that is shift to the tens place. Like that. Okay. So here we are exchanging a 7 and 9. Like that. Okay. So you have to, this 7 should be, you have to shift to the right side. So the number will be, this is shifted to this ones place and 9 will be come to the this. Getting my point? This is our new number and I show as another one as an example. You will come to know that is a 7285. Okay, this is the original number. This is the original number and we have to shift the 7 to the right side. 7 to the right side. Right side means what it happens here. 2 will come this side. Next 7, 8, 5. Getting my point? From its place, you have to shift the 7 digit to the right side. To the right side means we have to shift to the 7 here and we'll take a 2 before the 7, that is a 2785. So this is a new number. This is a new number. Okay. Now we have to compare, that is a 7285 is a greater than 2785, or else you can write as a 2785 is a smaller than the 7285. Like that you have to do. I hope everyone are getting my point. See here properly, everyone observing, right? See, so just we are shifting the 7 number towards the right side. If they told towards the left side, you can move like that. Okay. So the next problems, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th are the homework for you people. You have to do it in your home. So next we'll move on to the 10th question. What is the 10th question they given here? We'll see 10th question. They given here 10th question. Shift the digit 4 towards the left. Compare with the new number original one. 4 you have to shift the digit 4 towards the left side. In a 9th main they given a towards the right side. Here they given a towards the left side. We'll show as a one as the example. See 3750. Okay. So you have to shift this 4 towards the left. Towards the left digit value. So they told we have to shift 4 towards the left side. Towards the left means here is the value 4. We have to shift this side. Okay, because this is the left side, right? Here we have to shift means it is the right side. We have to, they told towards the left side. So I am exchanging the value here. This is the original number. This is the original number. Now I am shifting, that is 3472. So this is the new number formed. And now we have to compare that. 3472. Sorry, 3742 is greater than the 3472. Or else you can write as the 3472 is smaller than the 3740. So I am shifting the just towards the left. So 4 is here. 4 is here. Everyone observe here. 4 is here. I am shifting towards the left means you have to take a back. See here. Okay. So I am writing here 4 and 7 after the 4. Like that you have to exchange these values. Towards the left. This is example for the towards the left. And before we solved in the ninth main, what we solved? Towards the right side. Getting my point? Okay. I'll do another one. That is a 8431. Again, I am shifting this 4 to, this is the original number. This is the original number here. So here I am taking this 4 left side. That is the 4831. This is the new number. So this is the new number means here. See, observe properly. Now we have to compare, that is the, it is greater than this number, or else 4831 is smaller than the 8431. See here, I am shifting this 4 towards the left. Towards the left. So here I am taking this 4 here. Right? Getting my point? This is I am taking a 4 towards the left side. Left side I am shifting the value. Not a right side. In the 9th main they given a right side. But in this 10th main they given towards the what? Left side. So another 4 problems you have to do it in your home. 11th question is, we will solve the 11th question. 11th one is, what will be the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 5, 3, 0, 2 and 9 without repetition? They given a 5, 3, 0, 2 and 9 value. You have to write the smallest as well as the greatest number. Smallest number and greatest number. Okay, this is the short form of a number. Don't mind. And you are not going to write like this. You have to write a full spelling. Okay. So here smallest number is first. Whichever is the smaller number here. If there is a 0, we have to take us next to that smallest value. That is nothing but a 2. After that 0. Next 3. After that 5, 9. So this is the smallest value, that is nothing but the ascending order. Next greatest number is here 9, 5, 3, 2, 0. So this is the descending order, greatest number, this is the smallest number. You know how to write the smallest number as well as the greatest number using a 4 digits, but here they given a 5 digits. Only that is the difference. But whatever the how many digits they given, it doesn't matter. You have to write it in a ascending order as well as the descending order. That is the only target our how to write the smallest number as well as the greatest number. Getting my point? Okay. So next 12th question they given here. A mobile number consists of we'll see the 12th question now. This is the last problem of this exercise number 1.1. That is a mobile number consists of 10 digits. Everyone know that. The mobile number consists of 10 digits. Everyone know about that. Okay. So next one is next what they given. The first 4 digits of a number are. Okay. So here mobile number. I am writing a mobile number. consists of 10 digits. Okay, whatever the given here I am writing here. Given that mobile number consists of 10 digits, I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Fill in the blanks I taken here. Now we will fill with the whatever the given conditions we have to fill according to fill that with the value. Okay. So here the first 4 digits of a number are the first 4 digits. The first 4 digits number are the given 9, 9, 8 and what the given 7. Okay. Next they given the last 3 digits are last 3 digits. Last 3 digits number are what? 3, 5. These are the last 3 digits and these are the first 4 digit numbers. And the remaining digits are distinct. What is the meaning of distinct? Distinct is nothing but a different number. Don't use these numbers. You have to use the other numbers they told. Like that. Okay. Distinct means different value. Okay. So, make the mobile number the greatest possible number. The remaining digits are distinct and not repeated in the existed number. What are these digits? You have to make a largest number. Okay. You have to make a, the possibility is you have to make a largest number using the remaining the digits. Don't use these digits. You have to use the remaining digits. See here. We have a 1, after that 2, because 2 is not there, right? 3 is there, 4 is here, 4 is not used, 5 is there. Next we have a 6, 7, 8, 9. All the numbers are there. Only 1, 2, 4, 6 numbers are not in this mobile number, right? So we have to use only 1, 2, 4, 6, not 9, 8, 7, 3, 5 because it's already used. Okay, they told a distinct number we have to use, means different number we have to use here to form a largest mobile number. So we have only 1, 2, 4, 6. These number we have. Even we can take a 0 also. 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. Using these numbers we have to make a largest mobile number. Largest mobile number is nothing but whenever they use the largest we have to use the descending order. Descending order means we have to take the greater value as the first. The first preference goes to what? Greater number. So here is the which number is the greater? Obviously it is a 6. Next which number is greater? 4. After that which number is greater? 2. So this is our big largest mobile number we found here. Getting? They asked the largest mobile number. That's why I am using here descending order of these numbers. Descending order of these numbers. Okay? We have only 3 fill in the blanks right here. So only we are able to write only 3 numbers. Other than we can't write because already filled with some numbers. We have only 3 gaps here. We have to fill these 3 gaps with the largest number. So 6 is the first largest. After that 4 is the largest. After that 2 is the largest. So this is the required largest mobile number. Okay, I hope everyone understood these problems. So everyone write it in a HW. All this exercise 8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. You have to solve this all the mains in a HW. This is a homework for you. We will meet in the next class and we'll solve the what is the number system, Indian number system as well as the international number system and how to read the numbers. All those things we'll study in the next class. Meet you in our next class. See you. Take care everyone. Thank you.